Alright guys, today I'm going to be making a video. I've been doing my hair for a while now, and long story short, I grew out my hair for like 10 months when I got pregnant, and I wanted it to be healthier because I was already blonde. So I bleached my hair a couple of times, oh actually 3 times to be exact. My roots, they were not even dark, so I don't know why I had to bleach it 3 times. So I don't know if you could tell, we probably can. There's like a little band right here, and then this is all like white and blue. So I'm just gonna try and go blonde because this color is not working out. I look like I have seaweed, you know, it's like green. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna be using Color Oops today. I don't know if you guys have used it before, but it works every time for me. So pretty much, if you were blonde, then you dyed your hair red, and then you use this product, you're gonna go back to blonde. And so that's what I'm hoping. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get like a brassy color, but we'll just take it from there. Okay, so it's pretty simple. In the box you get step 1 and step 2. Just put them together, and then you get a pair of gloves, and then a little bag so you could wrap your hair up right after. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And I just realized that, my God, I just realized that I probably should have gone 2 boxes, because the first time I used this product I had really short hair, so 1 was enough. But now, as I told you guys, I've been growing my hair out, and then yeah, just simple. So hopefully it'll be enough, because we're gonna have to work with what we got. I actually got this at the swap meet for like $5. So, you know, gotta find a bargain. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on now. Let's see. I think I'm gonna section it just because I have a lot of hair. But I think I should be fine. Oh, I really hope this is enough, dude. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, I'll brush it out. Okay. Let's do this. My mom's probably gonna get mad and be like, what's that smell? Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be enough. Whatever, we'll just do it once. I think I'm gonna have to go buy another one. Yeah. I don't know how I didn't realize I have hair. You know what? It actually doesn't smell as bad as it used to. At least for me. Eh? What? I don't think it smells as bad as it used to. They must have done something different. Or is it because they change diapers all the time? Okay, needless to say, this is horrible. What the heck? It looks worse in person, so let's... And then to see how... I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just crossing my fingers, I guess. Alright, I'm really about to run to Walmart really quick. It's like 4 minutes away. Because I didn't have enough and I really don't want to do it like 10 times. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake up the second one really quick. Oh my goodness. I look so crazy at the store with my stinky smelling hair. I'm so glad that I went back to the store, because if not, look. So let me see if I can show you guys. Okay, so you see right there, all of that. I didn't put any liquid on that. If not, it would have looked horrible. So hopefully it comes out the right way the first time. All right, let me just get right back into it. It doesn't have any ammonia, so that's why I left it on rather than washing it off. Damn it. Okay, I could be more generous with this layer. it's been about 15-20 minutes. We took the color out, so that's what I wanted. I'm just gonna wash it out and show you guys. Okay, I just washed it out. I'll show you what it looks like wet. Okay. Okay. So, like I said, my hair was bleached before I put that gray in there. And I guess my roots grow really fast. It's been like maybe two weeks, not even 3. I just washed it with water. I didn't shampoo it or condition it, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, it's the next morning. So this is what it looks like dry. I would just tone it, but that's what I did last time, so that's why I put the gray in. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna use a box dye. This is Ultra Light Ash Blonde. So I just wanted to go ahead and even it out. Like I said, this is too warm for me, so I want it like pale ashy, definitely not yellow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you after. Okay, I'm gonna record this really quick. I just finished washing it so far. Looking good. Let me see. I just did my hair. So yeah. This time I put shampoo and conditioner. This is what it looks like wet. And I'll show you guys what it looks like dry. Alright, so this is the finished look. I think I did a pretty good job actually. There is a little bit uneven and some gold in the bottom, but it doesn't look as bad actually. I had to bleach my roots 3 times. That's why I went the whole hair dye direction. But it feels pretty smooth. I mean, you could tell it's shiny, and I didn't even put heat protector or anything on it. You know, not too shabby. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.